This design is made out of 1-inch PVC pipe. How to build this design? Let's start off with the sides. You need 2 sections cut to roughly 8 feet long, 1 full section at 20 feet long. As you can see, we use clear snap clamps to secure the backdrop to the frame. We also have 2 of the center section of PVC pipe holding in the middle of this backdrop, as well as being used to hold up lights for this effect. As you can see here, we use the side saddle T, one of our newer items. This allows you to use a snap clamp effect without making cuts and adding on multiple sections of PVC pipe fittings. At the bottom here, we used a 5-way fitting with roughly 1.5 to 2 foot sections of PVC pipe to support the frame itself. There's a couple other fittings and pipe sections that were not covered in this video. If you want the full parts list, you can find that in the description below. For both end sections, we used screw tab caps as well as a short section of PVC pipe leading into the side saddle T fitting. We have made a lot of backdrops out of PVC pipe in the past. What made this design extremely strong was fastening it to the wall and using self-tapping screws to secure the fitting to the pipe. We hope you enjoyed this design. Subscribe for more videos like this. If you'd like to purchase any of our items, go to www.circoinnovations.com.